Struggling with social media? Growing your Instagram is hard. But staring at a blank screen trying to think of the perfect caption and hashtags. That's exhausting. What if you could put your content creation on autopilot? That's why we are here. Meet InstaGenius, the smartest AI-powered Instagram manager that doesn't just schedule your posts, it writes them for you. Powered by advanced AI, InstaGenius is your dedicated social media manager, available 24/7. Don't have a professional photographer? No problem. Just type a quick description of what you need, choose your artistic style, and InstaGenius generates stunning, high-quality media ready for your feed in seconds. Selling products online or offline? Our creative agent turns basic product photos into high-fashion shoots instantly. Just upload a picture of your shoes or apparel or any products, and the AI places them perfectly on a stunning model. No expensive photo shoots required. Worried it will sound like a robot? Don't be. InstaGenius learns your unique brand voice. Whether you want to sound strictly professional, laid back, or witty, the AI adapts to match your brand's personality perfectly. Once your post is ready, you don't even have to leave the app. Schedule your content days, weeks, or months in advance with just a click. InstaGenius automatically publishes directly to your Instagram at the perfect time. Spend less time stressing over what to post and more time growing your business. Create, schedule, and grow with the power of AI. Try InstaGenius today and take your Instagram to the next level.